It looks like the insurance crisis is over here in the state of Hawaii. What does that mean for your buying power? What is VASH and how can that help you if you're visiting the islands? And what is the buyer opportunity right now here on the Big Island? All that and more coming up in this month's Market Update. Yeah, it's possible that the insurance crisis in this state is over. Hi, everyone. Dan Polimino from the Hawaii team and KW Big Island. Well, you've been hearing me talk about it for the last 2 years, that the insurance that HOAs were required to purchase, particularly for condos, had gone through the roof. 200%, 500%, 900%, and everyone's HOA dues had gone up and skyrocketed, and everyone was trying to figure out how to pay for it. Well, I'm hearing all kinds of anecdotal stories, and they're more than anecdotal. I mean, I'm getting calls from my clients that live in various projects up and down the west side of the Big Island. And they're all telling me that their insurance rates came down considerably this year. This is the renewal period right now. Somewhere between April and November is when most of these insurance policies get renewed with HOAs. And every one of my clients has said that the insurance rates have come down dramatically. And in turn, many of these projects are turning the savings over to the homeowners. So now what we're seeing is HOA fees being reduced. And again, I've heard this from a number of people. So this is incredibly good news. And this is an opportunity for you. And I'm going to tell you how coming up in just a minute. Next thing, what is VASH? If you don't know what VASH is, VASH stands for Visitor Aloha Society of Hawaii. And, you know, when you come on vacation, it's meant to be a happy, wonderful time, but sometimes it doesn't turn out that way. Sometimes bad things happen. Sometimes people lose documents. Sometimes things are stolen. Sometimes you get hurt, or God forbid, you have a death of a loved one here while you're on vacation, or you're hospitalized and you get sick. VASH is a volunteer society here on the Big Island, and they're made up of a group of volunteers. They're a 501c3, and their whole mission is to help people who are in distress when they're here on the Big Island. Now, I don't wish this upon anyone, but if you are coming for a visit and something bad were to happen, remember VASH. Check them out on their website. It's vashbigisland.com. And if you need their services, they're here, and they can help you through a difficult time. I hope you never do, but in case you do, check them out. All right, next thing on the list. What is the opportunity in the market right now? And we've got a really, really incredible opportunity. First off, it's already mid-October, and I can't believe that the holidays are about 30 days away. The weather has really been great. A lot less rain, a lot of sunny skies, and it's actually been a little cooler than normal. I mean, generally right around this time, the weather starts getting cooler, but it got cooler a little bit earlier. So the weather, like I said, best on the planet. But here's the opportunity. I think you as buyers out there have 3 things going for you right now. Number one, you have HOAs coming down, which that was the thing that was scaring you away. Number 2, we've got interest rates that we can get in the 5% range, depending on property, use, qualification, and of course, those are always subject to change. But we've got rates that we can offer in the 5% range, which should get most people off the couch. And then last but not least, you have buying power or leverage. Because there is a fair amount of inventory on the market, you have plenty to choose from, and you can negotiate the price down. You don't have to pay full price. You can get it below asking price. How much? Depends on the property. Could be $10,000, could be $50,000 or more. We just don't know. We have to evaluate it on a case-by-case basis. So you're really in a good position. And it's only going to get busier, right? Because as I said, the holidays are coming. And when the holidays are here, we start our season, right? That's when the majority of people come to the island. That's when we have the majority of the transactions. And we're already seeing a number of people putting their homes and their condos on the market. They had been holding off, but they see the signs, they see where this is going, they know the season is coming, they know interest rates are dropping, and so they're putting their properties on the market. But you've got a very unique buyer opportunity where you can get money off and a lower interest rate. So contact us here at the Hawaii team. Let's talk about next steps. we're happy to help. And for any of the things that we've discussed here, happy to go into more detail. And if you need to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, contact us here at the Hawaii team. Call me on my cell phone. I'll pick up 808-987-3306, 808-987-3306, or check us out at thehawaiiteam.com. Until we talk again, aloha.